Hey everyone, today I want to share one of my favorite breakfast recipes with you. It's super easy to make and packed with nutrition. Let's get started. First, heat up some olive oil in a pan over medium heat, then add in some chopped onions and garlic. Next, add in some canned tomatoes. Personally, I think using canned tomatoes makes this dish taste even better because they have a richer flavor. Now we are going to season it. Salt, chili powder, cumin powder, and mix well. Of course, some black pepper if you like. I like to put some chickpeas because it has high quality protein. Let's make some room for these 3 eggs. We're gonna put some salt and cover the pan, turn off the heat, and leave it for 5 minutes. There you go. It's your breakfast. I hope you're enjoying this video and I will see you next time.